gosh. The baby is still here in the neighborhood. I gave him this piece of bread. I'm sitting in the neighbor's yard. It is so little. Oh my gosh. Can't be more than 8-9 ounces. It's so little. I gave him this piece of bread. I hope they survive. I don't know where their mama is. But look, I'm in the neighbor's yard. Listen to this. I hope this baby survives. It is a happy little baby, though, isn't it? I don't know what I should do with it. Should I let it survive on its own? Should I bring it in the house? I ain't bringing it in the house. I ain't got no place to put it. It's gonna have to stay out here. God. I'm not even a squirrel fan, but this one gets me. Look at this baby. Oh my God. You shouldn't probably eat bread, but whatever. Surviving is surviving. Look at those red eyes. Oh man. You know I could stay here a while. I don't have a problem. God, this thing is so cute. So little. I thought it would have run away by now or gone somewhere else, but no, it's still around here. I hope this little baby survives. Eat up. Eat up, little buddy. Eat up, little buddy. You got time. I'll just sit here and watch you. So hungry. Dang. This is the same baby white squirrel I recorded earlier. It just hasn't left. But I was able to see it again, and I got it this piece of bread. That's a happy little squirrel, isn't it? Don't you think? Yeah, little squirrel. Not everybody likes the crust. I know. In a good mood. Look at him just running around. I can't tell if it's a girl or a boy. I wouldn't know anyways, but it's a little baby. I'm going to see her for a while. How you doing? Here's my hand. Here's my hand. Look at how little it is. Look at how little it is. Look how big my hand is. It's just a baby. Oh my gosh. It's just a baby. I don't know what to do with it. Should I? I don't know. Always tired now. Look, all of a sudden. Oh, look, he's tired now. Oh. Well, I'm not bringing it in the house. My dogs will eat this thing. It's so damn cute, though. Oh, sorry about the swearing. So perfect. Look at that tail, relax. I'll put my hand out here one more time. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. That's yours. I ain't gonna take it from you. Eat it all up. I don't know where you're gonna get your next meal, but dang. Eat up. Mm. He's like, oh God, I ate so much I'm gonna puke. They probably shouldn't eat that much. They're so little. I just. Oh, so soft. Look at this. Not afraid of me at all. Look at this. Look at this. What's in my hand? My God. Oh, don't eat me. Ow! Don't chew on me. God damn it. All right. Look at this, baby. Ow, ow, ow. Don't bite me. What am I supposed to do with this thing? This is my hand. This is my human hand. Look at how small it is. Not afraid of me at all. Getting close up. Oh my God. Oh, don't bite me, you son of a gun. Okay. What am I supposed to do with you? You're on my arm now. Look at how little you are. That is my arm. Well. Oh, sorry. I'm going to let you go. Because I can't keep you. It's not legal to keep wild animals. Oh my God, you're not even wild, are you? Look at how tame you are. What am I supposed to do with you? I can't keep you though. I cannot keep you. It's not legal to keep wild animals. God. I do want to keep you though. Look. You're just chomping on my arm. Oh. No, don't keep coming up here. Don't climb up here. All right, buddy. I'm going to put you back to the bread. You go to the bread. Get off my arm. Okay, go to the bread. Oh, you're supposed to let go now. Okay, there you go. There you go. God, that baby is so cute. I never seen a baby squirrel like this. Coming back? No, you ain't coming back. No. No. I can't keep you. It's not legal to keep you. No. What am I supposed to do with you? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. That's my hand. Look how big my hand is. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't keep you. I swear I can't keep you. It's not legal. It's not legal. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Where the hell are you going? Oh, you're having fun now. Tickle. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come here. Get him. Come here. Get out of there. Here, let me switch hands. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, baby. That is my human hand. Look at how small it is. Oh my God. I gotta focus in a little bit. It'll be alright. I'm not bringing it in the house or nothing. I mean, I'm not gonna raise this thing. Well, you are just a baby. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got a scratch there. I get out of there. Okay, that's my arm. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. You know, we're in the neighbor's yard. Everybody's looking at us like I'm a weirdo just sitting here. Ow, don't jump on me. Ow. Oh, you son of a... Look at that thing. Okay. Ow, ow. Okay. Get back in my hand. Okay. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, sorry about that. Oh my God, look at this. I can't keep a squirrel in the house. I can't raise a squirrel. What am I supposed to do with this thing? Its mom and dad are around here somewhere. But God dang it. You know what I might do? Look at this tail. Look at the tail. Look at this thing. Your mother's never gonna want you back after I've been petting on you. Oh, you're playful. Oh my gosh, you are playful. You are so playful. Oh, you're so funny. Oh my God. Oh my God. What am I supposed to do with you? Alright. Alright, buddy. You forced my hand. I think I'm gonna have to do something with you. Look at this. That is my hand. Not afraid of me. Not anything. Don't mess with me. Well, what I'm gonna have to do okay, little one. I might just. You can't stay here. Okay. You can't stay here. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here, and then I'm gonna get this thing to the nature center. It's not that far away. I don't know how I'm gonna get it there, but I'm stopping right here.